Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix fail to verify username error on Minecraft. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your Minecraft launcher here, like you can see on the video, and then on the top left corner you should see your account name. So what you need to do here is to press on that and then log out and log in back into your account, and the problem should be fixed. But if it's not, probably you're having some issues with your internet speed. So what you need to do here first is to go to the speedtest.net and test your internet speed. And if you're having a bad connection, maybe limit some devices, restart your router, and if there is a possibility, always use Ethernet cable to basically log into your Minecraft launcher, right? And the problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.